To prepare our gold dust, add a couple of drops of extract, or you can also use a clear alcohol like vodka. Then you want to generously add the gold dust powder to the extract. Now, using a small paintbrush, I'm just going to mix the powder and the extract together to form basically a gold paint. And I just keep swirling it around the bowl to make sure it's good and incorporated. Then I'll wipe the excess gold dust onto a paper towel. This helps get rid of large clumps on the brush, but also gives me an idea of what the brush stroke is going to look like. To begin, I'm going to do some abstract Christmas trees using short strokes and then longer strokes, just to give you an idea of how the different strokes look.
Hey, it's Amy. I wanted to pop in real quick and say, it's one thing to learn how to make macarons watching a YouTube video, but if you've ever wished that you could bake alongside someone that already knows how to make macarons and ask questions and get feedback, I have started teaching private virtual macaron classes. I have a special running for the month of December 2020, where you can get a private virtual 2.5-hour class for $50. I also have a confidence builder package where you can buy 3 classes and get the 4th one free. Gift certificates are available as well if you're not ready to book the class but want to lock in the price. These make great gifts for yourself, for your baker friends, or someone aspiring to learn how to make macarons. To get more information, just click the link in the description below. Now back to the video.
For the next few shells, we're going to use a larger paintbrush to paint strokes across the top of the shells. You'll see that I'm going to apply different pressures, and that gives a different look to the stroke. Now let's have some fun and paint an abstract Christmas tree using the larger paintbrush. This gives it a completely different look. Now we're going to paint the Christmas star. Start with one long stroke, followed by a second longer stroke, but shorter than the first one. And then we want to add diagonally 2 small strokes to form the star. Here, I'm just blending in the center of the star where all the lines are connecting in the center. I'm trying to make them blend in together as much as possible. So here's another idea, the Christmas bell. Now we're painting an angel. A quick tip is if you find that your gold dust is starting to dry out, just add a drop or two of extract or vodka depending on which one you used, and that will wetten your paint. And if it becomes too wet, just add a little bit more of gold dust until you have a good mixture. This is another reason to have a paper towel close by, because then you can check the thickness of your mixture before applying it to the shell. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to our channel. And while you're here, make sure to watch this other macaron video. Have a wonderful and blessed day.